If equipped, the Forward Collision Warning System, or FCW, can warn you about potential front-end collisions. FCW uses data from the front sensors, electronic brake controller, and wheel speed sensors to calculate a probable collision. When the system decides a forward collision is probable, it delivers audible and visual warnings. If a forward collision is no longer probable, the warning deactivates. Other objects like guardrails or signposts can trigger these warnings too, especially when driving on a curve. This is normal FCW function. Remember, FCW is not designed to avoid a collision on its own, and it can't detect every possible type of collision. The driver has the responsibility to avoid a collision by braking and steering. You can adjust FCW sensitivity to far, medium, or near in your touchscreen. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.